Are you on quarantine this Valentine? Here are some inspiring easy DIYs you can make to sparkle up your night. Starting with salt dough flower holders. To make them, you'll need to combine 1 cup of flour, half cup of salt, and a splash of water. Add flour if the dough is wet, or water if it's too dry. Knead the mixture. Roll it. Cut it into equal portions. Shape the dough into different shapes, then insert dried flowers to each. Add water to remove all cracks. Once you're done, remove all flowers. Bake the dough at 90 degrees for 1 hour and a half to 2 hours. For our second DIY, we're going to make bended marble candles. We need paraffin taper candles, a jug filled with warm water. Place the candles in for 10 minutes. I shaped a round base. Once the candle is balanced, I place it in cold water. What matters most is the candle's stability. There are many ways to join these candles together if you desire. Here is option 1 and option 2. Finally, pass a flame on the candle to have a marble effect. Let's move to the third DIY. On a cardboard, draw different heart shapes. Cut them. Then roll the wool yarn starting with an A shape until you cover all the cardboard. Tuck in the yarn twice to secure it. Flowers and ice cubes are so aesthetic. Use petals and small buds. I chose a vintage cake stand to form a red velvet tower. Presented them with melted cream cheese. On the second dessert plate, I assembled strawberries, caprice wafers, and chocolate. For such events, we love to sit around our coffee table. I layered 2 different textiles. Then started to put the soldo flower holders. They turned out so sweet and romantic. Added the candles I made. Using a pin, I hanged the cute yarn hearts on the cushion for a Valentine home twist. And now we're ready for Valentine. Hope you found this video inspiring to prepare for your Valentine on your quarantine. As usual, like and subscribe. Enjoy your night. Happy Valentine's!